Hello everyone, my name is Ilir. I'm the owner of Freedom Tech, the repair shop in Holland, Michigan. Today I got another tutorial video regarding Samsung QN65 Q7MA FXZA. This TV is a Q8 TV, which is probably one of the expensive at the time when they first came out. Unfortunately worthless because it's beyond repair at this point. I'm going to show you pretty much what's happening. Here's the reason why. You can see I have this upside down actually from long way. If you can see, there's this shining light over here that's coming through the screen, and on top of it there's a dark spot in this area. Well, this kind of TV, it's the reason why it's beyond repair is because it's such a thin TV to be repaired, and this one doesn't have an actual the screen is actually kind of glued into the frame, which makes this TV impossible to open up and remove that filter or replace it. Possible repair, but it's I would say 1 in 100 impossible to repair because that screen is going to break as soon as you start pumping it. So the reason I'm doing the video is just to give you a heads up, and if you do have that kind of issue, I'd say at that point, if you want to spend big money, you can. But other than that, don't even bother, because at that point, that TV is not going to be worth the repair. It's going to cost more. So just avoid putting money on some like that. Probably it costed you a lot of money before, but it's worth nothing right now. So unfortunately, Samsung is doing this kind of fancy TVs, but for no purpose, because if you have the trouble like that, so like specifically like this, so you can't do nothing. And this is not the screen broken. It's just the filter inside, that it's a plastic piece that is broken. There is another model that actually does a lot that kind of issue, as this here. It's a UN 60 NU 6900. This also is very well known. It has a very thin LED strip on the bottom, and usually when the LED heats up, it burns like edges of the filter. And this one can be repaired, but if you don't replace the filter, the plastic piece, it looks like Christmas tree in there. So the simple, easy way, and I'm trying to address this so you come to this problem, just think about your money if you want to spend it or not. But other than that, I'll put time to time videos up, so just to give you an idea and to see if you can save money sometimes, or just find the right place to do it. If you like the video, thumbs up. If you as always, leave a comment. I'm always on my channel viewing comments, and I will answer whatever I can. Other than that, like I said, thumbs up, like my channel, and we'll see you until the next time. Thank you. Have a great day.